Hello dear students. In the last class we gone through with the common system nomenclature of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. In today's class we are going to discuss about the nomenclature according to the IUPAC system. So International Union of Pure Applied Chemistry is a such type of the system where we can name any type of the haloalkanes or haloarenes, or we can say that any type of the organic compound can be named according to the IUPAC rules. Here the IUPAC system has given the IUPAC formula for haloalkanes and haloarenes. The name itself is expressing the name of the halo compounds as haloalkanes and haloarenes. So here halo is the prefix part, secondary prefix part you already studied in the first year. Secondary prefix is bonded to the primary prefix, which is bonded to the word root. Word root is bonded to the primary suffix, and primary suffix is bonded to the secondary suffix. So here the halo is prefix which will be bonded to the alk, indicating the number of carbon atom. Ane or ene or ine is indicating the type of the linkage between the longest chain. So here haloalkane is the formula to name the halo derivative of aliphatic compounds, halogen derivative of aliphatic compounds. And haloarenes, this haloarene, that is halo is the prefix, arene, benzene is the suffix part, for halo derivative of halogen derivative of aromatic hydrocarbons. So we will use these formulas to name some of the examples. I have tabulated here 3 columns. First one is structure, second one is common system, names of those structures, and same chemicals IUPAC system names. So here you know that common system formula for all the type of the haloalkanes and haloarenes. Look at this example, CH3Cl. CH3 is methyl. According to the common system, it is an alkyl, methyl chloride. So methyl chloride is the monohaloalkane of that example. But in case of IUPAC system, we have to name it as chloroalkane. Alk is meth because of one carbon atom, so chloromethane. Look at the second example where the chlorine is bonded to the 2 carbon atom containing alkyl part, that is ethyl. Ethyl chloride is the common name of that example, and chloroethane is the IUPAC name. So chloro because of the prefix, alkane because of the alk is indicating the number of carbon atom, ethane is indicating the linkage between the 2 carbon atoms. Third example, look at here. Third example is containing 3 carbon atom. So 3 carbon atom containing alkyl is propyl, where the straight chain, so therefore normal N propyl chloride. But according to IUPAC system, we should have to start numbering. When more than 2 carbon atoms are there, numbering has to be done. 1, 2, 3. So here we need to choose the halogen such positions from where we are getting the least locant of that halogen atom containing carbon atom. If you do the numbering from the right side to the left side, your position will be 1. If you do the numbering from left side to the right side, the position will be 3. So you need to choose the least number, that is the least locant of that carbon atom position has to be choose to name according to the IUPAC system. So 1 chloro, prop is indicating the 3 carbon atom, ane is indicating all the carbon atoms are containing single bond. Next, look at here, this is branched where the iodine is bonded to the secondary carbon atom. You can write secondary propyl chloride according to the IUPAC system, secondary propyl iodide according to the common system, or isopropyl iodide also you can write according to common system. But according to the IUPAC system, numbering has to be done. select the longest chain 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Anyhow, from anywhere you go, you will get the iodine position 2. So therefore, 2 iodo propane. 2 is indicating the second position to which the halogen is bonded, and prop is indicating the number of carbon atom, and N is indicating all the carbon atoms are singly bonded with each other. Next example is the chlorine is bonded to the 4 carbon atom containing aliphatic system. So therefore it is straight chain and known as N-butyl chloride according to common system. But according to IUPAC system, if you do numbering from the right side to the left side, the chloro position will be 1. So therefore I choose least position getting side. So 1 chlorobutane. 1 chlorobutane is the answer. 1 chloro because chlorine is bonded to the first carbon atom there, and but is indicating the number of carbon atom, that is 4. N is indicating the single bond between all the carbon atoms. Next, same molecular formula, isomer of this compound, where it is branched and the halogen atom bromine is bonded to the secondary carbon atom. So therefore it is known as secondary butyl chloride. Secondary butyl chloride. Why? Because the bromine is bonded to the secondary carbon atom. Butyl chloride is the alkyl halide common system formula. But according to the IUPAC system, if I choose to do the numbering of this chain from the right side to the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4. The bromine position will be 3 from right to left. If you choose to number from the left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, the bromine position will be least, that is second position. So therefore we need to choose the least position. So therefore 2 bromobutane. Why 2 bromobutane? The bromine is bonded to the second position of that longest chain. But is indicating 4 carbon atom and N is indicating the single bond in between all the carbon atom. Look at this structure. This is completely branched. This is the tertiary butyl chloride according to common system, where the halogen is bonded to the tertiary carbon atom. But according to the IUPAC system, I need to select the longest chain. So first I need to choose the longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. So I choose this from top to bottom, 3. 3 indicating the number of carbon atoms in the longest chain is can be written as pro. All these carbon atoms are singly bonded, so therefore ending suffix will be a. But prefix, see here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This carbon atom is not at all involved in the longest chain, which is methyl group. So therefore the methyl will be considered as a prefix again. So along with the bromo, we need to write methyl as the prefix. So how to write, sir? We need to go with the alphabetical order in such examples where more than one prefixes